Why 20 push-ups every morning is enough. Ever felt so lazy that working out and exercising becomes out of the question? You know you need to exercise to stay fit, but every time you try to get up, your body simply says, "No, not today. Maybe tomorrow." Ugh, this laziness. Let me tell you, you don't have to stress yourself with heavy workout sessions where you drain yourself till your body sweats like you were standing under the scorching sun with 100 degrees outside. Nope, it doesn't have to be that way. It must be something easy and simple. What I'm going to share with you is really easy. All you need to do is 20 push-ups every morning, and they will be enough. Now, you might be laughing at me thinking, this guy is a joke. 20 push-ups are not much, but can they be enough? This video will be discussing how 20 push-ups every morning are enough. 20 push-ups every morning is enough to activate your body for the day. Now, I know mornings are tough, especially the winters, but once you get out of your bed, you just need to do 20 push-ups. They will hardly take 1 minute and get our body charged up and refreshed for the day. You will start your days faster. No more tossing and turning or walking around the house for no particular reason. Now, this is good motivation, right? Continue watching to get some more. Not only your body will charge up, but eventually your body will start getting into shape. When you keep on doing these 20 push-ups every morning, your muscles will start to build up, and soon you will see some biceps on your arms. Your body will turn from lousy body to a healthy body in no time. Morning exercise is a part of a healthy lifestyle routine. Fun fact, you live longer if you exercise daily. So who doesn't want to live longer? You gotta see the world with a healthy body. At times, you might have noticed that when you are climbing up the stairs, you have to stop and take a moment to breathe. This is because you lack strength. Doing push-ups every morning is a great way to build strength. After a few days, you will notice that you are able to run up the stairs without stopping to breathe. I assure you. Okay, so what's next? Once you develop this routine of doing 20 push-ups a day, your body will want you to do more on some days. On those days, you can increase the number of push-ups. Maybe do 25 or 30 push-ups that day. You can even introduce some exercise to your morning routine. For example, after 20 push-ups, you can add 10 to 20 sit-ups. In no time, you will notice that this is a part of your morning routine, and you will become habitual. These push-ups won't seem like a burden. Rather, they will become a necessity for your body to stay active. And that's great, isn't it? Before I go, I have a quick question. Do you know how to do a proper push-up? If not, let me tell you the right way. Please don't do it wrong, get your back strained, and then come grab me by the neck. Anyways, when performing a push-up, keep your back straight and your core engaged. Meanwhile, your butt should be down and it shouldn't be lifted. Your body should be in a way that it forms a straight line. Make sure not to arch your back or let your body sag down. Keep your hands firm on a mat or plain surface. Just keep these tips in mind and you are good to go. Another thing I would like to highlight is that you should start with the classic form of push-up. But after a few days, try to mix up the types of push-ups you're doing to continue to challenge your muscles. Because after a few weeks, your muscles will be tired. So changing the type of push-up will relax the tired muscles at the same time you are engaging other muscles. Just within weeks, you will see your body getting fit. I'm not kidding when I say your body will be transformed. Everything being said, I would like to sum up by saying love your body and take care of your body. Do share your daily routines in the comments below, and let me know if this video helps you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos that improve your fitness and health. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Stay tuned and stay fit.